Welcome to Tubbs Mountain Estates, one of Travelers Rest's newest communities. We're here at 317 Blue Rock Court, and today I'm so excited to offer you this house. Let's go inside and take a look. This 2024 home is better than new. When they built, they upgraded the range to a 36-inch Bosch 5-burner cooktop. They added the 4-season sunroom, added a screened porch off the primary suite. It has engineered hardwood flooring throughout with porcelain tile in the bathrooms and laundry. The primary suite offers dual vanities, a garden tub, a multi-headed shower, and walk-in closet. Enchanted construction really builds a great home, and the cul-de-sac location is one you don't want to miss. Let's make it yours. Give us a call here at the Expert Real Estate Team, 864-895-9791.